Hello everyone, welcome to Bitter Code. In this video, we will be talking about how to install Git in your system. To check if Git is installed in your Windows system or not, just go to search bar, search for command, and open a command prompt, and just type Git and hit enter. If you are getting this message like Git is not recognized as an internal or external command, that means Git is not installed properly in your system. So let's continue and see how to install it. First, open any browser and search for Git, hit enter. And here you can see the first result is Git from gitscm.com. So just open this one. And here you can see a download for Windows option. So right now the latest version available is 2.38.1, and whatever time you will be downloading it, that latest version will be shown here. So just click on this download for Windows, and it will open another page where you can see standalone installer and portable installer, but we will have to download this standalone installer. So first click on this 64-bit for Windows setup, and it will download the git jar file. So let it download first. Click on start download. Now my download is success, and just go to the downloaded folder, and here I can see there is a file named that git something some version hyphen bit. So just double click on this to start your installation. It will ask for some command prompt like user control. Just click on yes. Then it will start setup information. Just click on next. Here just select the location where you wanted to install it, or keep it as default. Go to next. Keep everything as default only. Next, and then next, next, and here also just keep the default one. Let it decide. Here also just select the recommended one, Git from the command line and also from the third party software. Click on next again, and use the bundled OpenSSH. Keep it as default selected. Click on next. Here also use the OpenSSL library. Click on next, and now select this checkout window style. So keep the default also here. Click on next. Here also click next now, and here also fast forward or merge. Just keep the default only. Click on next. Git credential manager, yeah, let it use this. Next. Enable file system caching, again next. Now we have two options: enable experimental support for pseudocode, or these two are not at all required. You can click on install now. So the installation has been started, and it will take some time depending upon your system. So let's wait for it to get completed. So now you can see initializing the system config. So once this is completed, our installation will be success. So wait for it, you will get some option here. It is still processing. Now we got this completing the Git setup wizard. You can click on this launch Git bash also. So it will launch the Git bash, or you can just click on finish. Now go to your command prompt, open command prompt, and hit git here and click enter. Now you can see some options is showing here. So that's mean your git is installed successfully, or you can type git hyphen hyphen version also. to check which version of Git is available in your system. Now you will be able to use Git properly in your system. Thank you for watching this video.